How to unstick flower pots. It happens to the best gardeners. We go out in the spring to plant our flowers, but the pots are stuck together from being stored all fall and winter. Don't fret. There's an easy way to get the pots unstuck. Things you will need: 1 bucket of warm hot water, 1 gallon cold water, sink, basin or wash tub. Getting the pots unstuck. Place bucket of warm or hot water in sink, basin or wash tub, and place outer pot in the water. Pour the cold water into the inner pot. Pull the inner pot out, or push the outer pot down. The temperature change in each should allow one to contract and the other to expand, freeing the two. Tips warnings. If the pots remain stuck, try rolling them on their sides or even placing them in a freezer if it's large enough. If dirt or other residue is the culprit, try drenching them in water from a hose or other high-pressure source first, freeing the debris.